Hello viewers, today we are starting our series on management decision and control. That is paper 10 as per the new syllabus. As per the new syllabus of 2023-2027. This paper, it is, as we said, it is paper 10, but it was previously paper 11, and this is one of the papers that were never affected by the new syllabus, because we are seeing that the previous topics we had and the previous notes that we've been using for the old syllabus, they are still the same, meaning most of the topics, they were not tampered with, which means that MDC paper, it doesn't change. The way it was is the same way it is even for the new syllabus. So what that means is that the same things we've been looking at are the same things that we are going to still look at and be able to understand them and apply them as we go on. So we've seen that when the new syllabus came in, we've seen that some papers, we had decided to merge them. Like you may find some of the topics that were in one course unit were merged out to be maybe to come up with one. Some they have actually deleted some of the things, but this MDC, or the management decision and control, was never affected. So as we said, the MDC paper is, first of all, it's a level 2 paper, and it has these other papers that are feeding into it. We have quantitative techniques, that is paper 3, and cost and management accounting, that is paper 6, as per the new syllabus. So those are the two course units that we do at level 1 that are feeding into our management decision and control, that's paper 10. So we are going to be needing the knowledge we got from quantitative techniques. Mainly I will be terming it as QT, and the cost and management accounting that we covered at level 1. For those who actually need some refresher on the cost and management accounting, we have a playlist there. You can check our videos on YouTube and you'll be able to follow through as you, because the other ones, they give us the foundation of where MDC is going to start from, meaning we will need the knowledge from those two papers. So as we said the previous materials, the previous videos we've been having, we say those ones are going to be still relevant even for the new syllabus, because we said this MDC paper was never affected by the changes in the syllabus. However, when we try to look at the performance in the previous sittings, the pass rate for this paper is not all that good, but if you put in our efforts, me, I will be able to try and make sure we simplify all the concepts for you as much as I can, but for you, the whole idea is entirely on the student. Because if people have been failing and you don't actually give it your best, you may find that you are going to be actually failing it